Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So my disclaimer is that motivational minutes for the month of November are going to be pretty much NaNoWriMo focused. That's National Novel Writing Month if you haven't heard of it. And today what I really wanted to remind you of was my favorite NaNoWriMo tip. There's a lot of information out there about how to win nano, how to hit those word counts. And what I tend to find is that not a lot of people are talking about the mindset behind NaNoWriMo. And for me, that was the shift. That was the biggest thing, believing that I could actually finish. So yes, follow all the advice, take what resonates with you, but also start with the belief that you can finish NaNoWriMo. You can write 50,000 words in 1 month. You can finish your book. So hope that's helpful. And be sure to check out all the things that Writers Atelier has going on for November. We have our free November novel planner, which you can download on our website. And we also have free write-ins throughout the whole month of November. We even have special guest authors joining us this year, which we're so excited about. So check that out. Join our free online community. We'll link everything in the show notes section. And I'll see y'all on the next Motivational Minute. Happy NaNoWriMo!